Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to withdraw money from your $401,000 after retirement. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. You can access your $401,000 after retirement via a lump sum or periodic distribution. Here's a look at both. Lump sum distribution: consider this option if you want a large amount immediately. A lump sum distribution involves cashing out your entire $401,000. While this method is ideal during a crisis, or if you want to reinvest the amount, it has limitations. First, your $401,000 won't enjoy tax-free benefits, and withdrawing a lump sum moves you to a higher tax bracket where you'll spend a large chunk in taxes. Periodic distribution, in contrast, a periodic distribution gives you regular access to your $401,000 at regular intervals. You can choose to get it monthly or quarterly. This option allows your savings to grow tax-free and lets you enjoy your benefits for longer. It is ideal when the $401,000 is your only source of income during retirement. So there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from your $401,000 after retirement. Thanks for watching. Until next time.